Hey, good morning. What's happening, guys? You've tuned into Rules for Rebels. Today we're going to be talking about Amazon merch and kind of a weird thing going on merch. We're also going to be putting on our tinfoil hats and maybe trying to guess or theorize what this means. Is there a new policy change coming? Are new products coming? So that's what we're going to be talking about today. Over the past day and a half, I've seen some people on the Amazon forums, as well as the Amazon merch subreddit, Facebook groups, talking about how when they upload a t-shirt, it goes into a pending your approval stage. And then you have to go into the Manage tab on your Amazon merch account. You have to okay or approve the shirt. And then once you approve the shirt, it says it could take up to 4 hours to show up. So right now we're kind of looking at my merch dashboard. And this is kind of that, front homepage where it shows the merch updates and your most recent uploads. And you guys can see this one right here. It says pending your approval. So if we head over here to the next page, this is actually the Manage tab. So if you click the Manage Products tab, you'll see, here's some shirts that have been removed due to no sales, but we see this pending your approval one sitting right here. And I would have to click the drop-down box, and then I would have to select Sell on Amazon. And from that point, once I click Sell on Amazon, I get this message. Congratulations, your product was successfully approved. The product sales page will take up to 4 hours to be discoverable to your customers through search. Now, again, a number of people have been reporting that this is happening to them, but it's not happening to everybody. A lot of people are saying it's not happened to my account. So for the past couple days, I'd been mainly uploading pop sockets. I kind of took a little break from pop sockets, but I've been doing a lot of kind of pattern designs and things that are kind of more catered towards pop sockets. So I haven't seen this happen with pop sockets. It has been happening with t-shirts. So anyhow, I decided to hop on here. I'll upload a t-shirt, see if it happens to me. So I upload a t-shirt. Sure enough, mine goes into pending your approval. So, one thing that we tend to notice whenever Amazon merch does weird stuff, whenever kind of weird glitches happen, a lot of times that signals, that Amazon is testing something for a policy change. If you guys remember, maybe a week or two, or I don't know, a couple weeks prior to Amazon merch rolling out Amazon merch.de and Amazon merch.co.uk, the British and German Amazon. Prior to that happening, you remember Amazon shorted us all payments and then said, "Oh, sorry, we made a mistake. You're going to receive either 1 or 2 follow-up payments with the rest of your money." And we were all like, well, that's really weird. And then what happens? About 3 weeks later, if that, maybe even less than 3 weeks, a couple weeks later, Amazon said, "Hey, we're rolling out Amazon.uk and Amazon.de, and you're going to be paid separately for .com, .de, and .co.uk." And, looking back, it's like, well, shit, well, that's why Amazon paid us in 3 payments. They acted like it was a mistake, but they were testing to see whether they had the ability to do 3 payments, or testing whether 3 payments would work for these 3 different platforms. And there's been a couple other instances where Amazon has done things that have kind of signaled a change to come. Now, sometimes glitches just happen. A while back, we were having problems with pop sockets, and I think I even made a video kind of theorizing, like, are pop sockets going to be going off of Amazon? This was around a time when pop sockets and Amazon were kind of having a fight over distribution. Amazon had told pop sockets, and I made a video about this. There was a Recode article about it, but Amazon essentially told pop sockets, you can't sell pop sockets on Amazon. If you want to sell them, you have to sell them to us, and then we'll sell them on Amazon. We'll determine the retail price, etc. And so pop sockets, well, fuck that. So pop sockets went and found an independent third-party company and said, okay, we'll sell our pop sockets to you, and you guys sell them to Amazon, kind of on our behalf, but we're actually selling them to you. And that should have been allowed by Amazon policy. Amazon wound up saying, no, they can't sell them either. And pop sockets and Amazon got in a little bit of a fight. So I had theorized back then maybe, they had gotten in a fight and pop sockets weren't going to be sold anymore. I think that just turned out to be kind of a glitch. Point being, like, what potentially could this be signaling to us? Like, what could Amazon be testing? If you guys remember, a couple weeks back, I made a video talking about that Amazon merch job posting. Amazon was hiring, I think, a director of product for Amazon merch. And, it was a publicly posted job posting. And in the job posting, they said, we want to bring the Amazon merch program worldwide. So, they were essentially telling us they want to expand the program to other countries besides just US, UK, and Germany. They also said we want to be able to do print on demand with, every item under the sun. So we also know that they want to expand into different product lines, you know, kind of like a Redbubble or something like that. They want to offer more than just t-shirts, hoodies, nuddies, and pop sockets. And just complete tinfoil hat theory, you know, I have really nothing to back this up, but I was trying to think, like, why would Amazon be doing this pending your approval thing? Now, this could just be a glitch. This could be a weird glitch, but if I had to take a guess, what I would say is maybe Amazon is either A, rolling out new products, or maybe Amazon is rolling out a feature. Because one of the things that's kind of a headache about Amazon merch is if I upload a design to a basic tee, it only goes on a basic tee, as opposed to a site like Redbubble where I upload a design and it's put on, what, like 54 products all at once. So if I want to upload my design to a basic tee, a premium tee, a long sleeve tee, a nudie, a hoodie, and a pop socket, I have to do 6 separate uploads. So one kind of theory I have is, what if Amazon merch allows us to upload a design to, say, a t-shirt, and then we get pending approvals for, and essentially Amazon automatically uploads that shirt to premium tees, long sleeve tees, nuddies, and hoodies, and they sit in our manage box as pending approval. Now, if you want to sell your product on those, if you want to sell your design on those products as well, you simply go into your manage tab and you just click sell on Amazon, and approve all those. And while it is one extra little step of having to go in and approve them, at least you're not having to completely create an entire new upload, select new shirt colors, do titles, tags, bullet points all over again. So that's kind of one idea I had of what potentially might be happening. Like, maybe Amazon is automatically going to upload our product to, or our design to, all 6 products and allow us to, with 1 or 2 clicks, selectively upload those. Just one idea I had. Potentially Amazon is rolling out some new products, and we're going to have the ability to, just go in and okay pending on new products. Again, I really have no idea. This could just be a glitch. But one interesting thing to me too, whenever Amazon does changes, what do they always say? This is going to happen on a rolling basis, which means we're going to give it to the higher tiered accounts first, and then we're going to work our way down to the lower accounts. So when pop sockets came out, like, people at tier 5,000 and up wound up getting pop sockets right away. People at maybe tier 3,000, 4,000, a week later they got them. A week after that, people at tier 1,000 got them, and then maybe a month after that, people in the lower tiers got them. So whenever Amazon does make changes, it always starts with the larger sellers and works its way down. So I thought it was interesting that not everybody is reporting having this issue or seeing this. And I did reach out to a couple people on forums and things like that. One guy responded back to me, before I even tried this myself. I just wanted to know, is this something that's affecting, are they asking him to approve shirts going on Amazon.de in UK? But no, he said it was only Amazon.com. So I checked it. Sure enough, mine was the same thing. So I'm wondering whether this is some kind of new feature that's going to roll out, some new change that's going to happen, and they're only testing it on higher tiered accounts. Now, I haven't really talked to people to see, okay, this is happening to you, what tier are you on? But, let me know from you guys. If you guys are getting the same message, post in the comments, let us know that you're seeing this message, and then also let us know what tier you're on. And if it turns out that everybody who's seeing this message is tier 4,000 and above, I think that may be a good sign that, maybe some new changes coming down the pipeline, some new features coming down the pipeline. But let me know what you guys think about this. Drop a comment down below. I posted this on Instagram and my YouTube community section last night, hoping to maybe learn a little bit more, get some feedback. And John Marshall, who's a great guy who always has some good insights, he had asked me, are you sure you didn't just save this as a draft and it's sitting as a draft? And he actually had me thinking, and I went back and checked again. I'm like, no, that really was uploaded. I just have to approve it. So, let me know if you guys are running into this. If you guys have any ideas, what is your tinfoil hat theory? What could this be signaling? Go ahead and drop a comment down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. I'll catch you guys on the next one.